Greetings, graduates. It is my great honor to extend this very special and unique welcome to all UACCM 2020 graduates. My name is Lisa Willenberg, UACCM Chancellor. On behalf of the University of Arkansas Board of Trustees, the UACCM Board of Visitors, administration, faculty, and staff, I am humbled to welcome each of you to our first ever virtual commencement celebration. I hope you all realize completing this chapter of your educational journey during such a transition qualifies each of you as overachievers, for which a lifetime of overachievements is now expected of each and every one of you. Seriously, it has been my pleasure to get to know so many of you during these recent times. From these conversations I have grown, and I want to thank each of you for sharing a part of your life with me. Congratulations to each of you receiving a UACCM credential. We recognize the investment of large amounts of time, very hard work, and likely much lost sleep in getting you to the finish line. I also want to acknowledge the support that has helped each of you along the way. To all the family and friends, classmates, and faculty who have contributed to these graduates' successes, thank you very much on their behalf and ours. We know that you have offered many words of encouragement and have made many sacrifices along the way for these graduates, and I know they appreciate you as well. Since the conferral of our first degrees in 1963 to those being conferred today, you will now become a part of the UACCM alumni, which we hope you will hold in high esteem and recommend future students our way for generations to come, to continue to build upon the mission and tradition of excellence in learning and personal enrichment. Thank you again, graduates, for choosing UACCM. We are so very proud of you, and we want to extend our warmest congratulations. We look forward to hosting you at an in-person graduation ceremony as soon as is feasible. Thank you, and again, congratulations.
PEDRO CEASAR ANDRADE, Technical Certificate in Air Conditioning, Heating, and Refrigeration Technology. Jordan Lee Brown, Associate of Applied Science in Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigeration Technology. Jason C. FAUCETT, Certificate of Proficiency in Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigeration Technology. David Allen FREYALDENHOVEN, Technical Certificate in Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigeration Technology, summa cum laude. William J. Hambeacon III, Associate of Applied Science in Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigeration Technology. Jimmy Layton Jones, Associate of Applied Science in Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigeration Technology. Thank you to my instructors, family, and loved ones, along with everyone else who believed in me. BRYCE JEROLD Masters, Certificate of Proficiency in Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigeration Technology. John Carroll McClellan, Associate of Applied Science in Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigeration Technology. I want to thank my parents, Thomas and Lisa McClellan, along with my girlfriend, Savannah. Without y'all, none of this would have been possible. COLIN R. RAMBO, Technical Certificate and Certificate of Proficiency, Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigeration Technology. Austin RITCHEY, Associate of Applied Science in Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigeration Technology. Jordan AKSAMIT, Associate of Applied Science in Automotive Service Technology. Joseph FRYAR, Associate of Applied Science in Automotive Service Technology, magna cum laude. Victor Manuel LOYOLA LEYVA, Associate of Applied Science in Automotive Service Technology. I would like to thank my parents, friends, and instructors for their inspiration and guidance throughout my journey at UACCM. BRANT Evan Moore, Associate of Applied Science in Automotive Service Technology and Associate of General Studies. Rufus Phillips, Associate of Applied Science in Automotive Service Technology, magna cum laude. Blake Robinson, Associate of Applied Science and Technical Certificate in Automotive Service Technology. Ethan Wesley Turner, Associate of Applied Science in Automotive Service Technology. Gabriel Ultreris, Associate of Applied Science and Technical Certificate in Automotive Service Technology. Simon Alcacer, Associate of Applied Science and Technical Certificate in Automotive Service Technology. Ethan Allison, Technical Certificate in Automotive Technology, magna cum laude. Ben Jackson, Technical Certificate in Automotive Technology, summa cum laude. Jarvis W. Lowe Jr., Technical Certificate in Automotive Technology. Margaret Billings, Certificate of Proficiency in Drafting. Shelby Burke, Technical Certificate in Drafting, summa cum laude. Harrison Carter Castle, Certificate of Proficiency in Drafting. Christopher Caleb Kaufman, Technical Certificate in Drafting, summa cum laude. Alyssa Hilson, Associate of Applied Science in Drafting, cum laude. I want to thank all the faculty for their help and support through my time at UACCM. To Mr. McLeod and Ms. Karatov especially, your support means the world. Emily Holzman, Technical Certificate in Drafting. JED Holloway, Associate of Applied Science and Technical Certificate in Drafting. I would like to thank all the instructors and staff that made it their top priority to see me succeed, and my mother who supported me the whole way through. Jesse R. Lentz, Associate of Applied Science in Drafting. Timothy L. McDonald, Technical Certificate in Drafting. This school provided me with caring instructors with extensive knowledge in their field of study. Thank each and every one of you for all you have done for me. Nicholas Platt, Technical Certificate and Certificate of Proficiency in Drafting. Alyssa Pollen, Technical Certificate in Drafting. Gabriel Rodriguez, Certificate of Proficiency in Drafting. Aaron M. Sanders, Technical Certificate in Drafting, summa cum laude. Derek M. Strom, Certificate of Proficiency in Drafting. Raquel Taylor, Associate of Applied Science in Drafting, cum laude. Allie Yarbrough, Associate of Applied Science in Drafting. Marshall Bailey, Associate of Applied Science in Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology. Love you, Mom, Whitney, Christian, and my kiddos. Couldn't have done it without any of you. Jude Brashears, Certificate of Proficiency in Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology. Connor C. Cole, Certificate of Proficiency in Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology. William Collins, Certificate of Proficiency in Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology, cum laude. Montgomery Aldo Doria, Associate of Applied Science in Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology. Derek Gray, Technical Certificate in Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology. Braden Heflin, Technical Certificate in Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology. Baylor Ross Johnson, Technical Certificate in Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology, magna cum laude. JEB C. Johnson, Technical Certificate in Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology. Parker Lee, Associate of Applied Science, Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology, cum laude. Jared Wayne Palmer, Technical Certificate, Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology, summa cum laude. Timothy Scroggins, Technical Certificate, Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology. Keith Hayden Spears, Associate of Applied Science, Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology. I would like to thank all of the instructors who have made my past 2 years enjoyable. I would like to also thank my family and friends who have supported me. Tyler Thomas, Certificate of Proficiency, Industrial Mechanics and Maintenance Technology. Alejandro Abundis, Technical Certificate in Surveying. Kyle W. Anderson, Technical Certificate in Surveying, cum laude. David Weston Blair, Associate of Applied Science in Surveying. John T. Glenn, Technical Certificate in Surveying, cum laude. Peyton Bradley Goodman, Technical Certificate and Certificate of Proficiency in Surveying, cum laude. Blaine Thomason Handy, Technical Certificate in Surveying. Christopher Caleb Harvey, Associate of Applied Science in Surveying. Jacob Larson Johnson, Technical Certificate in Surveying. Jonathan A. McGinty, Technical Certificate in Surveying. Charis McKay, Technical Certificate in Surveying, magna cum laude. Ryan G. O'Neill, Technical Certificate in Surveying. Spencer Allen Williams, Associate of Applied Science in Surveying. Justin Fisher Wilson, Associate of Applied Science in Surveying, magna cum laude. Sarai Azel Ayala, Associate of Applied Science in Welding. Nicholas Gray Boyd Bolin, Technical Certificate in Welding. Ross Stephen Bona, Certificate of Proficiency in Welding. Hudson Cole Kosnahan, Technical Certificate in Welding. Daniel Curry, Technical Certificate and Certificate of Proficiency in Welding. Eduardo Herrera, Associate of Applied Science in Welding and Associate of General Studies. Cameron Lewis Lane, Technical Certificate in Welding. Marissa Lindsay, Technical Certificate in Welding. Amber Magana, Technical Certificate in Welding. William Christian Malin, Technical Certificate in Welding. Brian Jeffrey Martin, Certificate of Proficiency in Welding. Matthew McWilliams, Associate of Applied Science in Welding. Kane Phillips Newton, Associate of Applied Science in Welding and Associate of General Studies. Jose Antonio Parra Navarrete, Technical Certificate in Welding. Logan Porter, Technical Certificate in Welding. Holt Sarton, Associate of Applied Science in Welding. Austin R. Sherwood, Technical Certificate in Welding. Michael S. Wilkins, Technical Certificate and Certificate of Proficiency in Welding. Blake O. Wilson, Certificate of Proficiency in Welding, cum laude. Ethan Wilson, Technical Certificate and Certificate of Proficiency in Welding.